Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be playing more Bed Wars with our friend from Discord, discord.dg.maddie. Join Maddie's Discord and you can find me there. My user is site drip. I'm gonna tell my tags though, you have to find me there. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Hit that like button too. Why am I taking so long to load in, bro? This is actual crap. What the hell? So in today's video, you're only gonna use baguette, the bread wars. Bread wars has become a meme now. Everyone is calling it bread wars. Woo! Oh my god, what the fuck did you die? Oh my god. Dude, you have to get him. My man's coming back, my man's coming back. My man's coming back. Who rushes like that? Yeah, Jess. Who rushes like that, girl? Like who? I'm killing him. Bro! Bro. Bro. Bro, my man's toxic. Get him! Get that toxic brat out of here. Let's go. Get their bed. Get their bed. Get their bed. I don't even know what she's doing. My man's stuck. Dang, she used the freckle face. What kitty? Yo, dude. OP Jazz. /T. Get stone as WORE sword. Get stone sword. Yo, girl, you need a stone sword if you want to rush. At least you need a stone sword. This map, you have 2 neighbors. Red team is a pro? I don't think so. Bro, who rushes like that, man? Like, who just does? I'm really bad at the game, so I just get knocked off. I ain't got no kids because I ain't got Robux. I'm gonna buy Robux soon, like in 2 weeks. Like, I don't know, 2 months. Get a stone sword and a bow. Get a stone sword and a bow. Attack. Now attack, girl. Attack. Bro. Yeah, get him. Get him. Use the baguette. Use the fucking baguette, bro. Kill him. No, just you can't. You just can't die now. No, GG. Oh god. Forgot. I had to use the baguette, but I used the sword. Okay, it's called listening good. You'll be right back, guys. I think I said too many curse words in this video, so I think I should shut my mouth up. Whatever. Yeah, nothing good at all. If you guys want me to use a webcam, be sure to get me to 1K subscribers. Then I'll do a face reveal. I'll soon get an editor. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is dog water, girl. Yeah. It's dog water. It's dog water. Yeah, it's dog water. I'm lagging so hard right now. Bro, I'm lagging so hard. What the hell? I'm really lagging so hard. Someone save me. Hello? God, someone save me. I'm that good at Bed Wars, but I am good at CAD. I just started like playing like 2 to 3 weeks ago. I can bridge pretty fast, but I don't know how to PvP, you know. A lot of people say use shift lock, I pretty much am dog water with shift lock too. If you turn and just tap your screen or right click, use tab if you're on PC, and use shift lock if you're on mobile. Bro, I'm literally stuck. I'll just defend out here. Loading. I'm rushing, bro. I'm rushing. All I need is boop boop. Jess, what the hell are you doing? I'm rushing. I got all the blocks I need forever. What you know about roll? Bro, I just fell. While singing, I just fell. I'm literally dog water. Bro. Like, just act like nothing happened. Just act like we're all innocent. Yo, Team CN, bro, get their bed, get their bed. Get their fucking bed. No, I almost jumped off. Just. Use the baguette, use the fucking baguette. No, they use the baguette. What you know about, oh god, run. Run! Oh god, we need a baguette, get a baguette. Get the OP-BREAD bread. Oh god, bro. Get the OP bed. Oh, yeah. Are they rushing us? I don't think so. So, I'm gonna have to put this sword in my inventory. Boop. Oh god, yep. There goes my sword. Got enough for a baguette. Get that baguette. Getting enough for some more blocks. Get a lot more blocks actually. I'm coming in with the baguette. Let's go. I'm going up. I'm literally building up. Falling down. Save my fall there. Bro, my man. Bows are too OP. Bro. Hope I don't. Oh god. Do I really have to use a sword? I don't think so, fam. I have to get that baguette really quick. Oh god. I only have that much iron. That is literally crap, bro. My man has a bow. I can only use baguettes and bows, so that's the challenge. Hey, just literally got knocked off. What the hell, mate? GG. We also need a bow. We need a bow too. Bro, you're literally gonna so get knocked off again. Boop. Hope my bow works. Finally. They have literal iron armor. Bro, just get them. Get the fuck out of them, bro. What you know. I'm really so bad at using bows, bro. Like, what the hell? Just get their bed. Did that even get their bed? Oh god, I only have 3 arrows. Should I even care about rushing? Oh great, they're not camping. Woohoo! Now, time to use the secret weapon, mate. Do I even have enough iron for it? Please say I do. No, bro, I need 30 iron, mate. I was so gonna kill them with that baguette, but they got away this time, bro. Falling down, bro. Hey, yo, I'm gonna shoot you off, man. Yup. I've just gotta wait. This is gonna take a long time. I'll already bet it. Green only has 1 guy left. All I need is more iron, 42 iron. That's enough for a baguette and some more blocks. Baguette. Get those blocks really quick. Let's go, Jess. You're OP. That's why they call you OP, Jess. I'm using shift lock, so... Oh, great. Oh, great, bro. It'll be so easy. Yo, Jess, I can't mind that. What the hell? How did she get through that? Yo, what the frick, bro? I think we have to get in there with that baguette. Okay, let's just get him out here. No, he got me. GG. Yo, I thought they almost got our bed. Okay, this baguette challenge is really tough. How do these white tears do this? I'm so bad, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna use that bow. All we need is more armor. Falling down. I'll just get some more arrows real quick. 8, not bad at all. In emergency situations, only we can use our fucking bow. Just get him, girl. Yeah, that's what they get. Yo, everyone, imagine just everyone rushing for our bed right now. Just imagine. At least she has leather armor. I have nothing, bro. What the fuck, bro? Falling down. Just get him out of the game, Jess. Falling down. What the frick? The flow was cool, but I still felt burned. I love the astronaut in the ocean song. Go to YT and check out Masked Wolf. Oh goddamn shit, bro. Oh god, my man's a Grim Reaper. Oh god, that scared the crap out of me, not gonna lie. Cyan has nobody. You have to clear that way out. Get a lot of these. 10 emeralds, mate. That's a lot. Actually, a lot. Not gonna lie. You're going into mid with only 32 blocks. Yay! Woohoo! Yo, I'm going in. I don't even care. I'm going in for green, bro. We're getting these diamonds. Look, you see how many diamonds. Oh god, I almost walked off. How many diamonds are these? Only 2? Don't be kidding me, mate. I'm just gonna camp. We build a little wall. Everything I do is electric. Yo, what the fuck was that? Yo, what the? Oh my god, there's no way just kill a Grim Reaper. Nah, bro, I don't trust that. Yeah, I dare you, bro. I dare you. Shoot me. Yeah, that's what the boy. Get up, boy. 5 emeralds. I'm going back to base. Didn't even hit him, bro. The Grim Reaper is so. Oh my god, green. What the fuck, bitch? Oh my god, I'm so bad at using bows. Oh my god, my man. Chill out, bro. Chill the fuck out, bro. Just dodging him all over. Listen, everything I do is electric. Dang, my man's hitting those shots. Oh my god, my man's actually gonna kill me. Got a shot on him. I got a shot on him. That's my last and final arrow, bro. Yo, Jess is going in there? Jess, you might regret going in there, girl. I might regret it because I have 8 diamonds on me. I'm actually out. I'm out. Jess, no! I lost 8 diamonds! You literal foot. Oh my god, there's no way he just killed Jess. Right? There's no way. Jess is still in there. Let's go! All I need is more arrows, bro. Yo, Jess. Oh my god, look at her. Just look at her, bro. Just look at her. Oh, she is jacked out. I'm the bad guy here. I'm really due to crap at the game, so don't judge me, guys. Everyone literally forget about the baguette challenge, bro. I'm literally so dog water using the baguettes. They do 0 damage, that's the bad thing, but they knock you out really fast. Knock back, whatever. And by the way, Rainway, yo, Grim Reaper. Oh my god, I'm so dead, bro. Kitty. Hey, yo, don't you fucking dare get out of bed. Did I knock him off? Did I knock him off? No, he knocked me off. GG, man, GG. Our bed is so gone. All I have to do is get that kitty guy, bro. Where the fuck did that guy go? Yeah, he's getting. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, is the bed exposed? I don't think so, fam. Protect the fucking bed. I'm killing him. Oh god, we are so fucking dead. GG, we are so dead. We are so dead, bro. I don't even care anymore. Die, punk. Die. You're lily dog water. Get him. My man. Yo, he's actually free, girl. Run as fast as you can. Oh my god, GG. Grim Reaper is OP. That is it for today's video. We learned that Grim Reaper is too OP. And look at me, I had red eyes. That's it. That's gonna be it for today's video. Peace.